Hello, it's Mr. Cerveny again, and we are talking about double-digit subtraction without regrouping. Today, we're going to look at this problem, 57 minus 34. In order to understand how to solve this problem, we're going to use our quick draw over here. And when we first look at a problem, we always start with that top number. The top number is 57. So we have to quick draw it 57. So we have our tens and our ones so that we know that we're going to have 5 tens and 7 ones. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we have 57. Let's just count to make sure that we have 57. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. After we write that first number 57, that's the number on top, we always look at this symbol right here. This is a subtraction sign. This means that we're going to be taking away this number. We're going to be taking away 34. So we don't need to draw anything else. We're just going to go and start in the ones column here, and we're going to say, oh, we have to take away 4. And how do we take away 4 ones? We're going to cross them out. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves us with 3 left in the ones column. And then we're going to look over here at the tens, and it's going to tell us to take away 3 tens. So we're going to take away 3 tens. I got 1, 2, 3. That leaves us with 2 more tens. So we know that 57 take away 34 is 23. We have 2 tens and 3 ones. I'll see you guys next time when we start talking about addition with regrouping. Have a great day.